Welcome to KS Woodworks. This is how I do it. I begin by drawing what I want, then move over to Boardman to buy the things that I need for the project. I choose carefully. Then when everything is all in place, I carefully take them out to make sure all the pieces are there. I then confirm with the people that are helping us there at Boardman. After confirming, I pack them all together according to size. Then when everything is all complete, I take one of the carts they offer us there. I pick everything all up together and take them to the cutting machine so that they can cut the 45-degree angle for me. This is what the 45-degree angle look like when it's all cut. I do this to avoid joining straight. They cut so nicely, that's why I prefer the 45-degree angles to be cut here. Then we pick up everything and load them in our bakkie before we head home. And this is how I identify all the pieces to make sure everything is all correct in sizes. KS Woodworks. And then when I get home, I arrange everything according to size to avoid confusion. Then I begin by assembling everything. I apply too much glue to make sure everything is strong. Then I nail everything together. And when everything is all joined up, it's gonna look like this. After that, I sand all the wood filler that we used to fill all the nails. I then sand all the edges by hand. Then apply wood primer. Then apply the undercoat before applying the paint. and then add some color with the fast drying spray paint. And when everything is all painted, it'll look like this. Off camera, I polished everything to get the glossy look. Then we drive to the client to deliver.
Jacaranda FM has signed a code of conduct that is enforced by the Broadcasting Complaints Commission of South Africa. We want to make your listening experience as pleasurable as possible. If by chance you find the content to be offensive, email the Broadcasting Complaints Commission of South Africa.
Then take all the measurements where we want to mount everything. Then drill holes for the TV. Clean up all the mess caused by the drilling on the wall. We wanted everything to blend together with the kitchen, since it's an open plan from the kitchen to the living room. And this is how it looks when it's all done. Thank you for watching.